All right, guys, today just a real quick video. We are installing the Z1 hard pipe kit. Very straightforward install, but I'll go over it with you here in a second. All right, here's the kit. It's pretty much just two tubes, some silicone, and I don't have them in here, but a bunch of clamps. Really all you're going to need is some pliers to unhook the existing connections and various sockets. We'll go over that. All right, so real simple. You're just taking this off, essentially. So you've got your 8mm right here, and then down here is the other clamp on the other side. So I'm going to take those off, and you're also going to need to grab some pliers and pull all of these hoses off. It's going to be the same for each side. But you're going to take those off, and we'll come back when that's off. All right, so got everything disconnected. So these two hoses, I have EGR delete, so I have vacuum caps, but you may have a vacuum line here. Disconnected down there. Gonna go ahead and put your silicone coupler up here. Go ahead and get your clamps ready. I like to have them facing up. That way they're easy to get on and off. We're gonna put that on, and then we're also gonna get same thing with your other silicone connector. This is the one that goes down there. You're gonna get it, get your clamps ready, put them on, and then we're gonna install the tube. We'll show you that once we got some stuff buttoned up. All right, and there they are installed. Not too bad. The bottom ones are a little tricky. You just gotta work them in. Again, super simple. Just, taking the old stuff off, putting on your silicone, tightening the clamps, tightening everything else up. Very easy. Nice little visual upgrade. We got a lot of work to do under here, but that's all right. Small steps. All right, thanks for watching. Again, if you like it, give me a like, subscribe, get some more content out to you. All right.